as your attorney, there are things that I can do and some things that I cannot do, right? You know, I cannot change the facts of your case. All I can do is deal with them the best that I can. I cannot, you know, persuade the judge or the prosecutor to do a certain thing unless I've got facts on my side or good legal grounds. But I can't just wave a wand and have the judge or the jury make a decision that's favorable for us. The best thing that I can do as your attorney is to be prepared. You know, the best way to give yourself a chance of success in the courtroom is for me to be as prepared as I can. And that means knowing your case backward and forward. That means doing all the work before we go to court to give you the best chance of success. Old school judges and lawyers will say that for every 1 hour you spend in court, spend 4 hours preparing ahead of time outside of court. For 1 hour you're going to be in court. For every hour you're in court, 4 hours of preparation. Think about that. If I have a trial that lasts 3 or 4 days and we're in trial 6 or more hours a day, I mean, add it up. That's a lot. That's a lot of pre-trial preparation, doing the work beforehand, before we go in court. And where do I do that? Right here where I'm sitting, right here at this desk, is where I sit down. This is where I call it the grind. It's the grind of being a lawyer, sitting at this desk, calling people, having you come in, or talking to you and talking to witnesses on the phone, running people down, going out there, going to a crime scene, reading through discovery files, police reports, witness statements. That's how you get to know a case inside and out. That's how you do your preparation. It's no different, really, in any other aspect of life. It's certainly no different on the field in sports, you know. The two teams who play in the Super Bowl, they didn't just start preparing a couple days before. I mean, the best teams that are going to have a shot at the championship, I mean, they're preparing even before the season starts. Or a boxer getting ready for a prize fight. I mean, he's training 6 or 7 months before the fight. 6 or 7 months of training for maybe 30 minutes of fighting in the ring. Think about that. That's what it takes. That's the preparation that you've got to do. And it's no different as a lawyer if you're getting ready for trial or any case, really. To represent you and do the best I can for you, I've got to put in the work ahead of time before we go into court. And it's all the stuff that I just mentioned. It's sitting down and just doing the work and getting to know the case. I can't change the facts. If they're bad facts, you know, I'll deal with them. You know, we can find something. We can find something to work with. If, you know, we may find a witness who changes their statement, or maybe a surprise witness, you know, somebody that the police didn't talk to, or you know, something may come up that there's a problem with the state's case and they can't prove something. You know, they can't prove one of those facts or one of those elements against you. We can use that. You know, if you just look, you'll never know what you find. And that's what I do. That's how I try and represent you. You know, to do the best I can and get the best outcome I can for you. That is, to me, that is my edge as a lawyer. You know, I'm not the smartest guy. I wasn't the smartest guy in law school. I just try and do the best I can for you ahead, you know, before we walk in the courtroom, to give ourselves the best chance of success. And that's what I try and do for you and for every client. Just be prepared. Anyway, thanks for watching.